Develop success from failures. Discouragement and failure are two of the surest stepping stones to success. A very warm good morning to my dear students. Welcome to today's class. Today I am going to introduce in front of you a new chapter from Social Science First. The name of the chapter is Towards a Bright Future. This chapter deals with social issues and their reasons. We all know that many social problems that the world faces today. Such big and small problems that the society faces are discussed in this chapter. Moreover, we analyze the interrelationship of different social problems. Let's move to the chapter. Towards a Bright Future. Children, look at this quotation. I will read. Social problem, a way of behavior that is regarded by a substantial part of society as being in violation of one or more generally accepted or approved norms, by Robert Merton and Robert Nisbet. Another one, if individuals exhibit such behavioral changes that can destroy existence of a tolerant society, it can be considered as a social problem, by Lundberg. What do you understand from this? Here, Robert Merton and Robert Nisbet and Lundberg noted about social problems. Okay, then what is social problems? Social problems which affect the society directly or indirectly are considered as social problems. Those problems which affect the society directly or indirectly are considered as social problems. Problems, whether individual or common, that exist for a long time affecting the society are called a social problem. Understood? Okay. Then let's know what are the problems faced by the society today. Anybody know what are the problems faced by the society today? Poverty, unemployment, problem of shelter, insecurity of the old age people, use of intoxicants, juvenile crimes, cyber crimes, crimes against children, and offences against women. Okay, let's know each one by one. First, poverty. Poverty is the inability to secure the minimum consumption requirements for life, health, and efficiency. What is poverty? Is the inability to secure the minimum consumption requirement for life, health, and efficiency. As per the World Bank records of 2015, 702 million people are poor in the world. Poverty is a social problem not only in India but the whole world. According to the report of the UNO, 1/5 of the population in developing countries are living below the poverty line. As per the statistical data of the Planning Commission, 22% of people in India suffer from poverty. I hope you understood about poverty. Poverty is the inability to secure the minimum consumption requirements for life, health, and efficiency. Another problem Unemployment. Unemployment is a social problem related to poverty. While a section of people in the world finds employment of any kind, many people cannot find any. Unemployment is a situation in which a person is physically and mentally able and willing to work but cannot get a job. What is unemployment? Unemployment is a situation in which a person is physically and mentally able and willing to work but cannot get a job. Understood? Another problem of shelter. Shelter is one of the basic needs of man. Society has different views about shelter. Lack of shelter is a major social problem in India. To have a house where an individual and the family can live in a healthy way is one's right. Lack of shelter is the situation in which an individual is not able to secure and keep a suitable house. What is lack of shelter? Lack of shelter is the situation in which an individual is not able to secure and keep a suitable house. Another problem, insecurity of old age people. The number of insecure old age people is increasing in our country. The increase of the nuclear families and families moving to cities in search of better living conditions hardly provide the care and consideration that the old age people have enjoyed. This causes loneliness. The old age people face problems like disaffection, disregard, loneliness, uncertainty, economic crisis, health problems and stress. What are the problems faced by the old age people? Disaffection, disregard, loneliness, uncertainty, economic crisis, health problems and stress. They cause internal conflicts in them. Their loneliness have been growing as a big social problem. That is why old age homes are increasing in our country. Another problem, violence against women. Violence against women is a big social problem. Have you ever noticed the problems faced by women in the society? Okay. Crimes against women, atrocities against women, crimes such as denial of the right to education, different wages for the same job, denial of opportunities for providing their abilities from public activities. These are the problems faced by women today. What are the problems faced by women today? Crimes against women, atrocities against women, crimes such as denial of the right to education, different wages for the same job, denial of opportunities for providing their abilities from public activities. Another problem, use of intoxicants. The use of narcotics is increasing in the society. Those who believe that the use of intoxicants such as tobacco, liquor, cocaine, etc. can be controlled may yield to them gradually. Then they become addicts to them. The use of narcotics causes health problems in individuals, family problems, social avoidance, etc. The excessive use of intoxicants is a mental disorder. Let's see what are the problems caused by the use of intoxicants. causes physical and mental problems, increases crime, leads to suicide and accidental death, creates family problem and financial crisis, causes health problems in individuals, results in social isolation, causes social problems, causes family issues, etc. are the causes of use of intoxicating substances. Another problem, juvenile crimes. Crimes among children have become a big social problem. The crimes done by children of below 14 years of age are called juvenile crimes. What are called juvenile crimes? The crimes done by children of below 14 years of age are called juvenile crimes. They are called juvenile offenders. There are many reasons for children to engage in crimes. First one, defects in family relations, use of intoxicants, misuse of media, deterioration of social values. These are some reasons for children to engage in crimes. It is the duty of the society to avoid impulse to do crimes towards children. Schools, police, orientations, support mechanism, social actions, etc. help prevent criminal tendency among children. Some of the institutions help to avoid juvenile crimes. Child guidance clinic and counseling center. In child guidance clinic, provide the facility to find and analyze problems of children. Counseling center helps to provide solution for the behavioral problems of children. Another problem, cyber crimes. Information technology has been changed tremendously. Within seconds, we can get information of any kind. Almost all people make use of internet directly or indirectly. The electronic media that we use to collect information and for entertainment include computers, mobile phones, tablets, televisions, etc. Some people tend to misuse information technology. Crimes using information technology are increasing. Social media causes many problems in the personal and social life. Cyber cells deals with the crimes done using information technology. Another problem, crimes against children. Children are the wealth of the nation. It is the responsibility of the society to provide them food, education, recognition, and affection. Withdrawal from this responsibility badly affects the future of the nation and the society. Violence against children is increasing in the world. The given pictures indicate injustice against children. Can you say what are the injustice that these pictures convey? Child labor, child marriage, begging, etc. You can see some of the injustice from this picture. Okay, children, let's wind up today's session. Before that, just recall what you can understand from this chapter or what we have discussed in this chapter. From this chapter, we can see some of the things. First one, many of the social problems are interrelated. The consequences of social problems have common features. Social problems change according to the changing times. Joint effort and actions are necessary to solve social problems. I hope all should have understood well. That's all for today. Thank you and have a wonderful day.